Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this is not a guitar. This is a ukulele. This is part of the more than part. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to play I'm Yours by Jason Mraz on a ukulele. You finger a ukulele much like a guitar, except there's only 4 strings to worry about, and they're very light nylon strings. So for the B chord, we're going to lay this one finger across the first 2 strings, and then we're going to take the middle finger and put it on the 3rd string, and then the ring finger goes on the high string. And that's a B. When we change from that, we're just going to slide it down and cover the 1st fret like a bar chord with our 1st finger. Middle finger goes on the 2nd string. Ring finger reaches over and grabs the high string. And that's our F sharp. To go from there to the A flat minor, we're going to take these 2 fingers, my middle finger and my ring finger, and just shift them over one string. So now I'm playing on the 1st and 3rd strings, and still holding down the high string with my 1st finger. The pinky goes on the 2nd string, 4th fret. That's your A flat minor. And for the E chord, we're going to slide up again. 1st finger gets the 2nd fret, 1st string. Middle finger is going to lay across the rest of the strings on the 4th fret. Making sure to keep that 1st finger on the 2nd fret. For the F minor 7 flat 5, we're going to put the 1st finger all the way across the 1st fret again, and then the middle finger goes on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Ring finger goes on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. Sounds even prettier on a ukulele. So I won't hesitate no more. The strumming pattern on a ukulele, I'm almost embarrassed to try to explain to you. You move your fingers down and up. In this case, it's sort of a... I'm going really light on the 1 and the 3, so it's just... So you're going light, heavy, light, heavy, light, heavy, easy, accent, easy, accent. And you're just brushing the strings with your fingertips. Thumb if you wish. It really is an easy instrument to play, small, light, inexpensive as well. Highly recommend you get one, especially if you're going to play the song on it. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play I'm Yours by Jason Mraz on the ukulele. Thank you very much for watching. My dog has fleas. What a disgusting mnemonic.